English conversation for daily use.
Hello, how are you?
This is a common greeting to ask someone how they are doing.
What's up?
This is a casual way to greet someone and ask them what's new in their life.
Nice to meet you.
This is a polite way to introduce yourself to someone you've never met before.
How was your day?
This is a good conversation starter to ask someone about their day and show interest in their life.
What do you do for a living?
This is a question to ask someone about their job or career.
Can I help you with anything?
This is a polite way to offer assistance to someone.
Excuse me.
This phrase is used to get someone's attention or to apologize for something.
Thank you.
This is a polite way to show appreciation for something someone has done for you.
I'm sorry.
This is a phrase to apologize for something you've done wrong.
Goodbye.
This is a polite way to say farewell when leaving someone's company.
What are your hobbies?
This is a good way to get to know someone and find out what they enjoy doing in their free time.
Do you have any siblings?
This is a question to ask someone about their family and siblings.
What's your favorite food?
This is a fun conversation topic to discuss food and preferences.
Where are you from?
This is a common question to ask someone about their hometown or country of origin.
What kind of music do you like?
This is another good conversation topic to discuss music preferences.
How do you like to spend your weekends?
This is a good question to ask someone to find out what they enjoy doing on their days off.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
This is a good conversation starter to ask someone about their recent travel experiences.
What do you like to do in your free time?
This is a good question to ask someone about their hobbies and interests.
How do you usually start your day?
This is a good way to ask someone about their morning routine and habits.
What are your plans for the weekend?
This is a common question to ask someone to find out what they have planned for their upcoming weekend.
Do you have any pets?
This is a good way to ask someone about their furry companions.
What's the best vacation you've ever taken?
This is a good conversation starter to ask someone about their favorite travel memories.
What's your favorite season?
This is a fun conversation topic to discuss weather and seasonal activities.
What's something you've always wanted to learn?
This is a good question to ask someone about their personal goals and interests.
How do you like to relax after a long day?
This is a good way to ask someone about their self-care routines.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
This is a good question to ask someone about their fitness habits and preferences.
What's a skill or talent you wish you had?
This is a good conversation starter to ask someone about their aspirations and desires.